This video is made adult collectors for age 30+. Viewer description is advised. What is up guys, it is your boy Michael here. Welcome back to the Michael Unboxing Review. So today, we'll be taking first look at the Blokees Marvel Rivals, Jeff the Land Shark, Jeff in class. Oh, I really love this, how much this is my first time with the Blokees Marvels. So I don't know whether this is the Blokees Marvel for the first time. So today we'll be taking a look at this first look and this one, the Jeff. We got a picture on the Jeff model kits toys. It looks so amazing. We got the model kits on the set. It looks so very nice, and it got the background on the inside for this water and the splashing on this one design 2D art. So it looks so amazing. We got the size with this is called S, which means that size of small. And we got the Japan class. We got a no plus, no glue, and no cutters required. We got a 14 plus. We got this on the lens. We got a 11.7 centimeters, and I have a 4.60 inches in this one around. So we got this one, the forward. We got the Jeff. So this one, anything's inside about the with the Jeff, this looks so really amazing. This how much the concept art for this one, the promotional art. That's one of this called something. Anyways, you guys see with nothing about, we got a Marvel Rivals logos in this side. The backward in this one, this side to side with this one Jeff. We got a Jeff for this one here. We got a Jeff on this picture on the ground here. Looks so cute. And it's how much in back of the packaging. We got this all these different every ways. We got the accessories on this one. We got articulated jaw, assembly guide. We got the obvious cuteness. We got the joyful splash, and it's Jeff, and this one of the abilities right here. We got a changeable with tongue and the ice balls, whatever. We got the blaster, the water blast effect and the land diving effect, and I got this on the size one here that is so really cute. So let's get at these open unboxing this review. Okay, we got this 71 pieces on the ground here. That looks so pretty easy. Alright, let's get it open up. I hope you join this. I'm not using scissors because they really damage this one here. So I'm gonna use this sticker soon. Oh wow, they're gonna maybe on the rainy season was so really the worst the worst was. Okay, and we got yay. Oh, what about them? Oh, careful guys. Hey, let's go. Ah, Jeff, my favorite Jeff. Hey, so this one, oh, we got all of this different molecules on the set. We got the manual, yes, here we go. We got this manual here, like this difference on this one characters on the Marvel Rivals. I was playing a Jeff the Land Shark in this play game in the Marvel Rivals in the first time in the gameplay for last year's, and it's one that this one the manual instruction and the back with our Marvel Rivals logo, and this one here the instructions. You can building on this one here. So this one here, all the difference right here, this one here. You gotta see in this one here, we got the back in here. So we gotta put in a complete assembly in this one here. So we're gonna put it on here. And we got the one. So difference on the set. This is completely different right here, and all of these plastic bags. Oh wow, I had no idea what is going on here. It's a packaging. So I got this accessories to this one here. Looks so cute. Anyways, so let's get assembly. So let's get building up. Okay guys, I'm finishing with the building with Jeff model kits. I'm really happy, so excited for this on model kits for the first time for the Blokees Marvels. And you guys see that's how much anyway good articulation and proportion. The accuracy looks so amazing. We got 4 accessories like the land diving effect, water blast effect, regular tongue, and chrome blue eyes. And this one is one of the best cute characters in all time in this game. So Jeff, this looks pretty cute in this one here. So this one here, and you guys see the color details like the color blue, dark blue, color white, and we got the color belt with the golden belt. We got the pink or something. We got the light violet. We got with the name of Jeff on this the golden belt, and looks so amazing. And this one here, and it is inside this one on the bottom with the balls, and this one here. And with color pink, it looks so details of the texture, it's so amazing. We got the fin, we got the tails, and we got this part. This one the color tongue and this color red. Where there's something in there, and we got the teeth with the parts of it, and when you move in my mouth, and we got the eyes, the removable or something, and we got this So this one there, Jeff, this will look cute. Looks cute, and it's movable or something, and pretty shiny. And you get a movable on this eyes, whatever you want, and this looks pretty cute and all something here. And the nice painting details looks so in this game. I love how much any Marvel Rivals and this because this one everything in this one the proportion of this and not a Marvel Legends in this one here. Not a Marvel Legends boy because anyways it looks the premium. Blokees is always the best products that you ever seen. I definitely could not for this one today. I played Jeff and it's in this game, so because of this one will win for that as well here. So this one the water blast effect, and it's you guys see the translucent blue. So this one putting on the plug in, and this one here again. So I'm going to name we gotta remove a tongue for this something, and popping off at this one here. Anyways, we gotta put it in on this ball joint, so this right here. The fact of this one here, you got this for all the abilities is called Joyful Splash in this game, and this one it looks pretty cute, and it's how much this one is built with the color built in this. It looks pretty painting details. It's painting details. It looks the and in this game, well, unfortunately this one here, and it'll not have it. This is not a bad, but this is pretty good, accurate. And this one here, popping off, and we got this land diving effect, and you guys see the splashing of this one in the water effects, and you guys see water up. This you get a fin or this with you get a call for this one the abilities when it is Jeff, and using the abilities with the translucent blue, nice, pretty amazing. Okay, we got a popping off of this tails, and we're putting in the fin on the water effect. This one here, you guys can see this one. Looks pretty cool. I love how much anything with so much there. So put it back with the bodies on here. Oh, got this one here. Oh wow, that was my favorite. This one. So difference, two difference of tongue with the Jeff. We got the. Anyways, I never see like this before. We got a regular tongue and a down tongue. Or this one a normal tongue, and the down tongue, and this one like the dog and the pet, and this one here, and you guys see. For the puppy, this one here, and you guys color red, and the details it looks pretty amazing. And this is pretty exciting. This one here, we got proportion in this, we got ball joints in this round here, and we gotta see this one. And we got the chrome blue eyes. So this one, not definitely in this game, but this is only on the Model Kids version on the Blokees. We got that. I've never used it. This one here, but this is a regular eyes, and this one here. So this one is definitely open my mouth, and this one the ball joints. So we got the one about the. I'm not gonna give it a use this one here. Okay, so let's get the articulation time with the Jeff. So first off, we need this head one and this one up and down, side by side. We got the swivel on this rotation, this the head. Not on every single this one here. So this one movable mouth. Alright, this teeth. We got it up and down. This one, whatever you want. We got this one, the leg forward with this first one. So right one and this one side by side, up and down, and we got that. Anyways, we got a swivel this one, the leg forward, and the knees on the knees one, a little bit up and down for this one, and swivel on this knees or elbows, whatever you want. And you got feet up and down for this feet, up and down a little bit, and rotation, swivel, it was kind of a little bit with this one here. Second, we got this all around here, side by side, up and down on the swivel. On the second with this right one, we got a little bit for this one. The problem is not everything single with this one, and the double joints is one up and down, a little bit to this one up and down. So this one, rotation, it's rotation on the knees or elbows, feet up and down, again, and the swivel on this rotation, and swivel on this a little bit, just so harder. And I got the right one or left one, sorry, wrong that name. And I got this one here, side by side. We got the anything up and down. We got swivel on this knees or elbows, whatever, the up and down. Swivel for this knees or elbows. We got a little bit of the difference here, and we got that, or we gotta careful like that. And so we gotta put it on here, and you gotta definitely, this with the proportion right here. And we got the up and down for this feet, a little bit this up and down, a little bit of this one here, swivel, and this one swivel. We gotta take it on the swivel on this one here. That's everything. This is my favorite, this one here. And the second one, the left one here, last but not least, okay, this one here, side by side, up and down, swivel. You get the swivel on this one, this leg forward, this one here. And I got finally, we got the elbows or knees and up and down, the swivel. I got the feet one, last one. We got the feet. This is definitely my favorite Marvel rivals in the Blokees, so the Blokees mine, and that's so amazing. We got up and down the feet, and the proportion, and this one, the anyway articulation, swivel, and this the rotation. That's not the other. Everything swivel this one here. And anyways, definitely this one on my favorite, the Blokees, and it's highly recommended. This in Halloween. Always my favorite is Blokees on the Marvel rivals, and this one here, and I got the C. So definitely it's a really good articulation. It was so amazing. We got definitely with the built-in as on the Jeff. So we gotta move the ball with this up and down with the belt, with corner belt. This was doing that. This definitely is anyways, nice, so amazing articulation. So this is a Jeff for the size comparison with this one here, and you guys see it have a 6.4 centimeters in this one here. I guess definitely this one, not a single all of it. This one is called, or whatever this is. You got the 12 or 11.7 centimeters, or this is not definitely this is size one. And you got the inches tall. But this definitely in, I don't know what happened to the difference. This one, the 4.7 centimeters, or no, 4.7 inches tall. And this one here, that's what I'm really excited with this one here. We got the difference, and you guys see this 3 inches tall. We got the every difference. We got all the swap for this one here, and we got the 7 centimeters in this one here. They got tall, also really it's pretty small. Here's with the size comparison with the Action Edition, Transformers Prime, Optimus Prime, and G1 Soundwave. Size comparison from the classic class Transformers 1 B127 or Bumblebee, Yellow Plug MK Mini Series Wave 1, G1 Optimus Prime, and we have the size comparison from the T13 Lucky 13 Dummy, which we got shorted for this one here. I don't know what it is talking about, but he's pretty cute. So Jeff, anyways, so very amazing with this one here. So I'm really definitely playing Marvel Rivals very early because I don't have anything in choice for this one here. But it will be next, will be Venom or Legend Edition Ultron, whatever it looks like that. I don't know. So Jeff the Landshark Mollucus is the Blokees Jeff in class, and this one here definitely. I'm gonna give you a rating for the Jeff the Landshark Jeff in class. Give it a 8.5 out of 10. It's the greatest Mollucus for the Blokees Marvel Rivals, and its really articulation is really good, and this one the painting details so great. And the accessories look so amazing. Anyways, it definitely is a lot of the kind of really not that bad at all. But it's a pretty great model kits and toys in this one. for obvious reasons. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Leave a like and subscribe to the channel, notification bells for the notify for the latest videos. Follow us on social media, and you guys see you guys try this one here. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed and see you on my next video. Bye, peace.